Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I got these Christmas kits in and I said I wanted to do a giveaway as soon as they came in. So they arrived today. So I want to do a giveaway this weekend. So starting now through Sunday, I have a special coupon code for 15% off. Anything in the shop, code Xmas in July. I'll have it on the screen for you. So anyone that uses that code will go into a drawing. I'm going to pick 2 winners to win one of these kits. So I have the first kit here that includes the Pink and Main Flurry stamp set. It's really super pretty. And then it comes with this really pretty paper pad. You probably can't see it because it's all covered up, but you could see that it has like purples and teals in it. There's, gingham, stripes, chevron. And then it comes with the Pink and Main Surface ink in Night Sky, Cobblestone, Evening Cloud, and Fountain. So you get matching inks. This one, you get like the pink, the red, the green colors. Pretty patterns. You get the Pink and Main Christmas script stamp set, and then the Surface inks in Boutique, Sunny Sky on the green, and Fire Engine. Really pretty. So this one retails at $37 and this one at $30. So 2 lucky winners will win a kit, and all you have to do is use the coupon code Xmas in July through Sunday, and then you can enjoy 15% off your order. Plus all July I have the holiday section 25% off. Just when you add the items to your cart, that's where you're going to see the discount in your shopping cart. So enjoy, and thanks for shopping guys, and I'll pick the winners on Monday. Bye guys.